Kyle here with Nelson-Rigg to discuss the Can-Am door bags for the Maverick X3 and X3 Max, which are perfect for wherever the journey takes you. The door bags here on the table in front of me will fit all of the Can-Am Maverick X3s from 2017 and up. Built with a sturdy backing panel, these door bags hold their shape even while empty. Constructed from Nelson-Rigg's proprietary Ultramax fabric, are water and dust resistant and feature maximum UV protection. The front door bag features two pockets. Now the large pocket here is going to give you 4 liters of storage and an interior mesh pocket for additional organization. The front pocket contains a built-in knee pad for added comfort and safety, but is removable for additional storage. To keep your items protected, a heavy-duty lockable zipper is featured. The lockable feature allows the zipper to close completely to prevent dust and debris from entering the bag. Now the rear door bag here for the Maverick Max is made of the same construction as the front and features the largest capacity of any X3 door bag on the market, with over 4 liters of storage. This capacity comes from 2 separate pockets on a large backing plate. Installation is a breeze with a combination of self-fastening straps and 2 bolts to securely attach the bag. To install, simply remove the center bolt and lower inner bolt with a size T30 Torx bit. You will reuse the long center bolt, but a new stainless bolt has been provided for the lower location. Once the bolts have been reinstalled, attach the self-fastening straps and you are ready for adventure. Just like the rest of the Rig Gear line, these X3 door bags feature the lifetime warranty. Please click the links down below to learn more about these door bags and the rest of the Nelson-Rigg line of products so you are prepared for wherever the journey takes you. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.